This is Monkey Blue. A used car salesman found him abandoned on the lot when Monkey was just a week old. He came to live with me at the Pixelation studio. Monkey Blue got his name because he hopped around like a monkey. We had fun making pictures together. Pixelation Studio was Monkey's playground. He explored every nook and cranny in the old industrial space. Then we moved into the tower at Knickerbocker Lane. At first, we didn't have our furniture, but we didn't care. We had a beautiful new home. Gigi lives next door. We call her Bad Girl. Monkey Blue is obsessed with her. The only water she drinks is from the cup by the Buddha statue in the living room. She often comes over to eat Monkey's food. He just watches. He is in love. Gigi disappeared one day and came back the next. 2 months later, the kittens arrived. She was a great mother. We found them all good homes. She is a fierce hunter and a femme fatale. Here she is on the Christmas party refreshments table. Meet Cinnamon. I found him under my house in the Central Valley. He and his sisters had been orphaned. Here he is leading them to the food I had put out. Now he waits patiently for his bottle. When he walks, he swaggers unlike any cat we've ever seen. He is the Lion King of Knickerbocker Lane. Nowadays, Monkey and Gigi hang out together. They are best friends. Here is Gigi waiting for Monkey in the entryway to the tower. Cinnamon does not like this at all. He wants Gigi all to himself. After a couple months, we officially moved into the tower. We were happy. Monkey likes art. Cinnamon tries to intimidate Monkey. It worked when Monkey was little, but not anymore. Sometimes they take a nap together. Knickerbocker is a kitty wonderland. The cats spend their days exploring and playing. Gigi and Cinnamon hunt sometimes and bring their half-eaten kills into the house. The fence is a very popular destination. From it, they scan their dominion. The cats of Knickerbocker are never bored. Best of all, Gigi and Monkey Blue have a love story for the ages.